Macau is like the cities of Las Vegas and Dubai had a baby, and oh is it wonderful. Here you'll find some of the world's most luxurious hotels as well as some of the largest casinos in the entire world. You don't have to like to gamble to spend some time in Macau, but it sure wouldn't hurt to keep things interesting. Some of the resorts on our list offer among the highest level of amenities you can find, and they are all great places to get away and treat yourself to a taste of the good life. These are our picks for the top 5 hotels in Macau, so hit that like button and let's get started. To kick off our list at number 5 is the Parisian Macau, which boasts a half-size reconstruction of the Eiffel Tower. Having only been open for a couple years now, this has recently become one of the top hotels that tourists look forward to staying at. Even if you don't book your stay here and opt instead for one of the other hotels on our top 5 list, you can still wander around this property and take in the sights and sounds that almost transport you right onto the streets of France. Inside you can find more than 150 retail shops, a convention space, and even a performing arts theater that can seat over 1,200 people. Coming in at number 4 on our list is the Venetian Macau Resort. This version of the Venetian is themed just like its Las Vegas counterpart, but on a much larger scale. This 39-story hotel has a total square footage of more than 10.5 million square feet inside, making it one of the largest buildings on Earth. There is even a sports arena on site that can seat more than 15,000 fans for popular concerts and sporting events. You will also find a reconstruction of the canals of Venice, Italy, where you can hire a gondola to ride around in style and sightsee. Right in the middle at number 3 is the MGM Cotai. This modern and luxurious property costs about $3.5 billion to build, and that reflects in the level of quality in the facilities and amenities. You can walk right through the many art collections housed inside the MGM Cotai, as well as book reservations to see a couple of the unique performances that they have on permanent residence in their theaters. Unlike some of the other properties you may find in Macau that cater to a more traditional Asian audience, the MGM Cotai was specifically designed to appeal to travelers from all around the globe. At a well-deserved second place is the Wynn Palace. Steve Wynn practically kick-started the modern Macau experience when he opened his first Wynn hotel here back in 2006. Since then, the resort developer has created additional properties to keep up with the ever-growing demand for luxury accommodations on the Cotai Strip. Even though the Wynn name was already synonymous with luxury, the Wynn Palace takes that expectation to a whole other level in Macau. This 1,700-room property costs almost $4.5 billion to build, making it the most expensive hotel on our list. Topping off this list and earning the number 1 spot is the Galaxy Macau. Some of the restaurants inside the Galaxy Macau are rated among the best in the world. This hotel has continued to grow in size since it was originally constructed, and in a city that has recently become quite well known for its extravagance, it is getting ever increasingly difficult to outdo the last hotel. If you're looking to go to Macau or just curious to see what kind of deals you can get on any of the many hotels on the Cotai Strip, sign up for your free account on mustdotravels.com and start exploring today.